Hi everyone, welcome back to our journey of launching ZARPA. In this episode, I'm taking you behind the scenes of creating and designing our logo. Every great brand starts with a vision, and the logo is the first thing that tells the world who you are. Welcome to the creation of ZARPA's logo. Our goal was to create something minimalist yet powerful. The logo had to feel modern but timeless, professional yet approachable. We emphasized clean lines, a focus on typography, and a subtle nod to sophistication. And of course, it had to resonate with our target audience. Next came the colors and fonts. For ZARPA, we choose a black and white palette to symbolize simplicity, elegance, and professionalism. Black represents strength and sophistication, while white stands for clarity and purity, qualities we want our salon to embody. And here it is, the final logo for ZARPA, a sleek, minimal design that says everything we want it to. A logo is the foundation of our brand identity. It's the first impression, and for ZARPA, it's a reflection of everything we stand for.